I will explain the worksheet key. A solid of mass 0.15 kg is heated from 10 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius. The specific heat capacity of the solid is 390 joule per kg Celsius. Then find the heat absorbed by the solid. Okay, a solid of mass of mass 0.15 kg is heated from 10 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius. If the specific heat capacity of the solid is 390 joule per kg Celsius. Okay, find the heat absorbed by the solid. Our aim is to find the heat absorbed by the body. Okay, so here what are the given values here? Mass is given, so here mass equal to 0.15 kg. Next, heat absorbed by the body means the temperature of the body will be increase. Here increasing temperature means theta R equal to 90 degrees Celsius minus 10 degrees Celsius, that equal to 80 degrees Celsius. Next one, specific heat capacity, we can write here S or CM. Specific heat capacity, we can write C or S also, no problem, that equal to 390 joule per kg degree Celsius. Then find heat energy, H equal to how much? So we know that heat energy equal to mass into temperature or specific heat capacity into rising temperature, that equal to, what is the mass value here? 0.15 into specific heat capacity, that equal to 390 into change in temperature, that equal to 80 degrees Celsius, that equal to 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, this total value equal to heat energy equal to here 4680 joules, that equal to 4680 joules. Therefore here heat energy equal to 8640 joules. It is the heat energy equal to heat energy. Okay, next one, question number 2. A liquid of mass 0.2 kg and its temperature is 135 degrees Celsius is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. If the specific heat capacity of the liquid is 750 joule per kg Celsius. So question number 2. A liquid of mass. Question number 2. A liquid of mass. A liquid of mass. A liquid of mass. A liquid of mass 0.2 kg and the temperature 135 degrees Celsius is decreased or cooled to 25 degrees Celsius if specific heat capacity of liquid is 750 joule per kg Celsius. Find the heat energy. Find the heat energy. Okay. Now listen. Same model. Mass is given. Mass equal here 0.2 kg. And here temperature is decreasing, means fall in temperature, that equal to the initial temperature equal to 135, it is decreased to 25 degrees Celsius. Next fall in temperature equal to 135 degrees Celsius minus 25 degrees Celsius, that equal to 110 degrees Celsius. 110 degrees Celsius, and the C is given, that equal to 750 joule per kg Celsius. Okay, degree Celsius, joule per kg Celsius. So here heat energy equal to m into specific heat capacity into falling temperature. So that equal to here m 0.2 kg into specific heat capacity, that equal to 750 into falling temperature, that equal to 110 degree Celsius. 110 degree Celsius. So total value equal to, we can write here 0.2 into 750, that equal to 2 into 75. 2 into 75, that equal to 150. So 150 into 110. Here we can write 2 into 75 into 110 degrees Celsius, that equal to 150 into 110 is equal to how much? 50 into 11. 16500 joules. 16500 joules. 16500 joules. Joules. 16500 joules. Okay. Next question number 3. Question number 3 amma, 800 calories of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 0.080 kg of liquid from 10 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, find its specific heat capacity. Then find its specific heat capacity in calories and in joules. Calories and joules. Question number 3. Our aim is to find the specific heat capacity. C or we can write S also. Okay. So question number 3 amma, 800 calories of heat is required to raise the temperature raise the temperature of 0.08 kg. 0.080 means 0.8 only. 0.080 kg of liquid from 10 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. Find specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity in calories. Second one in joules. So here temperature is increasing. So rise in temperature equal to initial temperature of the body equal to 10 degrees. It is increased to 100 degrees Celsius. So rise in temperature equal to 100 minus 10, that equal to 90 degrees. So in first one, so mass, what is the given is mass is given and the heat energy is given. Heat energy equal to 800 calories. Next M equal to 0.080 kg. Next one, rising temperature equal to 100 minus 10 degrees Celsius, that equal to 90 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now heat energy, or aim is to find the C value. So H equal to M into C into theta R, rising temperature. From this we can write here C equal to heat energy by mass into changing temperature or rising temperature, that equal to 800 by, that equal to here heat energy for how much? 800 by M 0.0 into 90. 0.080 into 90, that equal to this total value of what's 111.1, 111.1. Okay, calorie per kg degree Celsius. Degree Celsius. It is a specific heat capacity in calories. Specific heat capacity in calories. Okay, we know that 1 calorie equal to 4.2 joules. So 111.1 into 4.2, that equal to 466.67 joule per kg degree Celsius. Okay, it is in calories. It is the first one. It is in calories. So our aim is to find the heat energy in second question. Second bit. Here heat energy is given. Specific heat capacity C equal to here 311.1 calorie per kg degree Celsius. So we know that convert into joules. Okay, so here 1 calorie equal to 4.2 joules. So here C equal to 0.1 into 4.2 into 4.2, that equal to 466, that equal to 466.67 joule per kg degree Celsius. 466.67 joule kg degree Celsius. It is the specific heat capacity value in joules. Okay, that equal to C equal to 466.67 joule kg degree Celsius. Okay, next question number 4. Here mass is given 0.08 and the temperature is increased from 30 degrees Celsius to 130 degrees Celsius, and here energy is given in calories. It is also the same problem. Find the specific heat capacity in calories and joules. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, question number 4 now. So we made the given values. Here mass is given. Mass m equal to 0.08 kg and temperature, rising temperature is given. So theta r equal to 130 degrees Celsius minus 30 degrees Celsius, that equal to 100 degrees Celsius. Next here heat energy is given. Heat energy equal to 2000 calories. Okay, our aim is to find the specific heat capacity. In calories and joules. So we know the heat energy equal to m into specific heat capacity. We can write S or C also. C into rising temperature theta, that equal to m 0.08 kg into into rising temperature, that equal to 100 degrees Celsius. So heat energy equal to here 2000 calories. So here C equal to 2000 by 0.08 into 100, that equal to 2000 by 8, that equal to 2000 by 8, that equal to 250 calories kg per d, that equal to 250 calories per kg degree Celsius. So here C equal to how much? Here C equal to 250 calories per kg degree Celsius. It is the C value in calories in joules. C in joules. So we know that 1 calorie equal to 4.2 joules. 1 calorie equal to 4.2 joules. So here C we got 250 calories per kg degree Celsius, that equal to 250 into 4.2 joule kg degree Celsius, that equal to how much? 1050, that equal to 1050 joules per kg degree Celsius. It is the C value. It is the C value. C equal to here 1050 joule kg joule per kg degree Celsius. Next question number 5. Question number 5. So a body of mass equal to here 0.5 kg.
పెదవే పలికిన మాటల్లోనే తీయని మాటే అమ్మా.
Body of mass equal to 0.5 kg of lead at 327 degrees Celsius equal to 27 degrees Celsius when it gives off a 22,500 calories of energy. So calculate the specific heat capacity. Calculate the specific heat capacity in calories and joules. Question number 5. Here mass is given, that equal to 0.5 kg. Next, falling temperature is given, that equal to 327 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, that equal to 300 degrees Celsius, and the heat energy is given H equal to calories. Okay, so find the specific heat capacity. So here we know that H equal to m into c into theta f. From this equations we can write here c equal to heat energy by m into theta f. Okay, heat energy 22500 by mass 0.5 into 300 degrees Celsius. So that equal to 150 calories, that equal to 150 calories per kg degree Celsius. It is C value 150 calories per kg degree Celsius. Now in joules, C in joules. So here C equal to 150 calories per kg degree Celsius. So we know that 1 calorie equal to 4.2 joules. So here C equal to 150 into 4.2 joule kg degree Celsius. Kg degree Celsius, that equal to 630, that equal to 630 joules per kg degree Celsius. It is the C value. It is the C value. Okay, next one, question number 6. Calculate here or aim is to find the final temperature. Final temperature. Here mass is given 0.120 kg. Okay. Next, heat capacity, specific heat capacity is given 100 kg per 100 calories kg degree Celsius, and temperature at 20 degree Celsius are heated by burning for 2 minutes. Okay, let rise in temperature. Let question number 5. Sorry, question number 6. Let rise in temperature. Rise in temperature equal to theta R. Okay, heat supplied to copper. Heat supplied to copper equal to how many minutes are here? How many minutes are? 2 minutes. 2 minutes convert into seconds, that equal to 120 seconds. So here 2 calories per second into 120 seconds. Seconds will cancel. So here heat energy equal to 2400 calories. 2400 calories. So heat energy, we know that heat equal to m into c into rising temperature theta R. Okay, m into theta into rising temperature theta R. Our aim is to find the rising temperature. So theta R equal to h by m into c. H equal here 2400 calories by mass 0. Mass is given. Mass equal to here m equal to 0.120 kg. Okay. Next, S is given or C equal to 100 calories per kg degree Celsius. Kg degree Celsius, that equal to 0.120 into degree Celsius, that equal to 100. Equal to how much? Equal to 200 degree Celsius. 200 degree Celsius. Theta R equal to 200 degree Celsius. Theta R equal to 200 degree Celsius. Now total temperature, final temperature of the copper. So final temperature of the copper. Initial temperature of the copper equal to how much here? 20 is given. So 20 plus here 200. So 20 plus 200 degree Celsius, that equal to 220 degree Celsius. 200 degree Celsius, that equal to 200 degree Celsius. Okay, now question number 7. Question number 7. Okay, ma'am. Here heat energy is given, that equal to 272 calories, and mass is given, that equal to 0.02 kg, and C equal to specific heat capacity equal to 170 calories per kg degree Celsius, and Ti Ti equal to means initial temperature of the body equal to 20 degrees Celsius. Then find the final temperature. We know that here heat energy equal to m into c into theta. So here theta equal to T minus Ti or T1. Here T minus Ti means T1 means here initial temperature that equal to 20 degree Celsius. From this we can find here heat energy equal to m into c into theta, that is T minus T1. So 272 equal to m 0.02 kg into c that equal to 170 equal to T minus 20. So here 272 equal to 0.02 into 170 that equal to 3.4 into T minus 20. So 272 equal to 3.4 into T. 3.4 into T. 3.4 T. 3.4 into minus 20 that equal to 68. That equal to 68. Okay. 272 equal to 3.4 T minus 68 come to the side. 272 plus 68 equal to 3.4 T. That equal to 340 equal to 3.4 T. Therefore T equal to 345 by 3.4. Once here 100 times. So T equal to 100 degree Celsius. So final temperature equal to 100 degree Celsius. It is the yesterday's worksheet. Okay, thank you.